be liable to be proceeded with against under the relevant legal framework. The aforesaid directions are being issued in view of the reports regarding untoward incidents caused by unregulated feeding of stray dogs and to ensure that the practice of feeding dogs on roads and in public places is eliminated, as the said practice creates great difficulties for the common man walking on the streets. Each municipal authority shall create a dedicated helpline number for reporting incidents of violation of the above directions. On such a report being received, appropriate measures shall be taken against the individuals and NGOs concerned. The direction given in para 13 of the order dated 11th August 25 is reiterated with a slight modification that no individual or organization shall cause any hindrance or obstruction in the effective implementation of the directions given above. In case any public servant acting in compliance with the aforesaid directions is obstructed, then the violators shall be liable to face prosecution for obstructing the public servant acting in discharge of official duty. Each individual dog lover and each NGO that has approached this court shall deposit a sum of rupees 25,000 and rupees 2 lakhs respectively with a registry of this court within a period of 7 days, failing which they shall not be allowed to appear in the matter any further. The amounts so deposited shall be utilized in the creation of the infrastructure and facilities for the stray dogs under the aegis of the respective municipal bodies. The desirous animal lovers shall be free to move the application to the concerned municipal body for adoption of the street dogs, upon which the identified selected street dogs shall be tagged and given in adoption to the applicant. It shall be the responsibility of the applicants to ensure that the adopted stray dogs do not return to the streets. The municipal authority shall file an affidavit of compliance with complete statistics of resources, namely dog pounds, veterinarians, dog catching personnel, specially modified vehicles, cages, available as on date for the purpose of compliance of the ABC rules. Since the application of the ABC rules is uniform all over the country, and the same issues which have been taken up in the suo motu writ petition have either cropped up or are likely to exist in every state, we propose to expand the scope of this matter beyond the confines of New Delhi and the NCR region. For this purpose, we hereby direct the implement of all the states and union territories in this matter through the secretaries concerned of the Animal Husbandry Department, secretaries of the local bodies, municipal corporation, municipal councils, municipalities, etc., and the administration of the union territories, so as to seek information from each authority regarding the steps being taken for compliance of the ABC rules in their respective jurisdictions. We are also informed that numerous writ petitions, suo motu petitions are pending in various high courts, more or less dealing with common issues.